The Enchanted Bonds of Harmony. Once upon a time in the enchanting village of Willowbrook, nestled deep within a magical forest, there lived a little girl named Elsie. Elsie was a bright and curious child, with big, hazel eyes and locks of golden hair that danced in the wind. Her days were filled with exploring the forest, chasing butterflies, and playing with her best friend, a wise, talking squirrel named Pip. Despite her many joys, Elsie struggled to find peace and harmony with her older brother, Henry, and her younger sister, Lila. Henry, a strong and adventurous boy, was always trying to prove himself, while Lila, a gentle and kind-hearted girl, sought to make everyone happy. Each sibling's unique qualities sometimes led to quarrels and misunderstandings, and Elsie was often caught in the middle, unsure of how to live in peace with them both. One sunny morning, as Elsie sat beneath an ancient willow tree, she confided in Pip about her troubles. Pip listened patiently, and then he shared a secret with her. "Elsie, the forest holds the answer you seek. There is a wise and ancient tree called the heartwood tree, which knows the secrets of family and friendship. It is said that those who can find it will receive the guidance they need to live in harmony with those they love." Elsie's eyes widened, and her heart filled with hope. She knew that she had to find the heartwood tree. Pip offered to join her on this quest, and together, they embarked on a journey that would take them deeper into the magical forest than they had ever gone before. As they ventured deeper into the forest, the world around them seemed to change. The trees grew taller, and the shadows became longer. The air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers and the soothing songs of birds. Soon, they stumbled upon a small, crystal-clear pond, where they met a majestic swan named Seraphina. Seraphina listened to Elsie's story and offered her guidance. To find the heartwood tree, you must first find harmony within yourself. Only then will the path become clear. Elsie took Seraphina's words to heart and began to reflect on her relationships with Henry and Lila. She realized that she had been so focused on their differences that she had forgotten to appreciate the love they shared as a family. With newfound understanding, Elsie thanked Seraphina, and they continued their journey. After several days of walking, Elsie and Pip finally arrived at a breathtaking grove where the heartwood tree stood tall and proud. Its bark was a tapestry of colors, and its leaves shimmered like emeralds in the sunlight. Elsie could feel the wisdom and love radiating from the ancient tree. As Elsie approached the heartwood tree, it spoke to her in a voice as old as the forest itself. "Dear child, you have come seeking wisdom and guidance. The key to living in peace with your brother and sister is to embrace their unique qualities and to cherish the love that binds you together. Remember that your family is your greatest treasure, and true friendships are built on understanding, acceptance, and compassion." Elsie listened carefully to the heartwood tree's wise words and felt her heart fill with love and gratitude for her family. She promised to remember its advice and to make an effort to understand and appreciate her brother and sister for who they were. As they made their way back to the village, Elsie and Pip encountered Henry and Lila, who had set out to search for their missing sister. When they saw Elsie, their eyes sparkled with relief and joy. Elsie wrapped her arms around them, and they all shared a heartfelt embrace. She then shared the wisdom she had gained from the heartwood tree and told them about her journey. Henry, Lila, and Elsie returned to their home, determined to put the heartwood tree's advice into practice. They began to celebrate their differences and found that when they worked together, they could accomplish anything. They supported each other through thick and thin, and their bond grew stronger with each passing day. The siblings' love for one another inspired the entire village, and the spirit of friendship and unity spread like a warm embrace. The villagers learned to appreciate the unique qualities of each person and discovered that when they worked together, their community thrived. As the years passed, the village of Willowbrook became known far and wide as a place of harmony, love, and friendship, where everyone was welcomed with open arms. Elsie, now a young woman, continued to explore the magical forest with Pip, uncovering more of its wonders and secrets. She often shared the stories of her adventures with her brother and sister, and they, in turn, shared their own experiences with her. Together, they built a life filled with laughter, adventure, and love, each playing their part in creating a happy and harmonious family.